The trial of Saddam Hussein has often looked more like a theatre than a courtroom. Saddam and other defendants railing at the judge, defense lawyers tussling with guards, the first chief judge resigning after a whispering campaign that he was too soft. Here's Barzana Tikriti, Saddam's half-brother and intelligence chief, hauled into court in his underwear.
We don't want to sit here. We refuse to attend this trial without our lawyers.
At one point, the entire defense team boycotted the trial because one lawyer was manhandled out of the room by guards. The court then appointed its own choice of defense lawyers, an extreme step which could prejudice a fair trial.
We've already chosen our lawyers. They withdrew from the court after being beaten in front of your own eyes, Judge.
Who hit them?
The head of the Jordanian Bar Association was struck right in front of you.
Who hit them? Nobody hit them. The lawyer who was thrown out of court was Saleh Al-Armouti, head of the Jordanian Bar Association. He is scathing about the new chief judge.
It is unheard of, either in the Iraqi judicial system or anywhere else. It's unheard of that lawyers are attacked, forced out of court by security personnel.
He says the old chief judge, Rizgar Amin, resigned because of political interference.
Judge Rizgar, who represents Iraq and the Iraqi judiciary, refused to bow to threats and orders to deny the defendants the rights granted to them by the Geneva Conventions and by Arab and international laws.
Most of the time, the main defense lawyers are not even in Iraq because it's just too dangerous for them. 2 have already been assassinated, so they're here in Amman in neighboring Jordan. Saddam's chief lawyer, Khalil Dulaimi, says his client cannot have a fair trial inside Iraq.
I don't think the solution is to move the trial abroad, but if we must have a trial, we cannot have a just and fair trial inside Iraq. I'd rather it were cancelled and a settlement reached. Otherwise, it should be moved abroad.